Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 28 of the Cougar Connection. This week, we want to take a moment and recognize our student spotlight, Owen Lowe. Owen is a member of the Red Jaguar team member. He's a 7th grade student here at Simons Middle School. Owen not only enjoys watching sports, but he also plays. He plays a couple of sports here at SMS. He plays basketball and he plays baseball. Owen is described as his teacher as one of those kids that you can give any project to, and he is going to excel at it. And he was also very instrumental in getting the orchard for Cougar Hill Farm, and he's very active in Cougar Hill Farm. So we just want to take a moment and congratulate you, Owen, and thank you for demonstrating the can we must attitude. And we can't wait to see what amazing things you do as a Cougar here at Simons Middle School. Our staff spotlight for this week is Mr. Tommy Hawkins. Mr. Hawkins' last day at Simons Middle School was on Friday, and he is going to retire and enjoy retirement. So we just want to shout out and thank Mr. Hawkins for all of his service over the last few years and congratulate him on his retirement. Just a few general announcements, parents. We do have about 38 days until the K-Prep testing window opens. So if there is any time to describe as crunch time, it is right now. Also, next week on Monday, we will have the PSAT, and that is an assessment that all students in the building take, 8th grade students. If you benchmark in the PSAT, or if you grow 70 points from your assessment score from last year, then you will receive a $50 bonus check from Advanced Kentucky. Ongoing at Simons Middle School this week, on Monday, we will have an admin team meeting, but that meeting is going to start at 10 o'clock in the morning. Also, students and staff, it is monthly wellness day, so please feel free to wear your fitness attire tomorrow. Also, on Monday and on Tuesday, we will be taking the student voice survey. Parents, if you wish for your student not to participate, please make sure that you send back the form that was sent home with them on Friday. On Monday afternoon, we will also have content PLCs and ELA and social studies, and the aspiring admin cohort will meet at central office beginning at 3:45. On Tuesday, MSU Theater Workshop will be in the auditorium for drama class during first period, and Wednesday is the second part of restraint training for those of you staff members who wish to participate in that. On Thursday, the dental van will be at Simons Middle School, and we will have a content PLC in science and math right after school. We will also have a transformation and innovation team meeting at central office starting at 3:45. On Friday, as always, is Can We Must T-shirt day. We will also have Kona Ice here again on Friday, and we will be completing the non-test sections of the PSAT in preparation for that test on Monday. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.